Namaste everyone. Hi, I'm Mohit Ahuja from nodisability.org and today we move to the next lesson on how to shoot great pictures. हम फोटोग्राफी की बात करते हैं दोस्तों. फोटोग्राफी बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है. जो हम फ़ोटोज़ खींचते हैं वो कभी हम आधार कार्ड के लिए या पासपोर्ट साइज़ फ़ोटोज़ के लिए करते हैं या फिर कोई फ़ोटो हम खुशी के लिए खींचते हैं. लेकिन हर फ़ोटो में हमेशा एक टेक्निक यूज़ होता है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक टेक्निक्स, the most simple techniques that you can also try out at home. You don't need to go out. Right now corona time hai, covid time hai, so you don't need to go out. You can do it indoors, and once you know that your kid has mastered the art of this one technique, then we can go out and then we can try out in different spaces, different circumstances, different locations. हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. लेकिन सबसे पहले don't forget, when we talk about photography for the differently abled, जो उनका चैलेंज है वो सिर्फ एक डॉक्टर ने लिखा, वो एक किताब में है, वो एक कागज़ पे है, लेकिन दैट डज़ नॉट डिफाइन हु दैट पर्सन इज़. उनकी बहुत सारी और क्वालिटीज़ है और हम वही सब निकालना चाह रहे हैं, राइट. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू बिलीव इन योर किड्स. डोंट स्टॉप बिलीविंग इन देम. डोंट गिव अप ऑन द किड्स. डोंट गिव अप ऑन मी. सो इफ़ यू हैव क्वेश्चंस, कमेंट्स, sarcasm, suggestion, critique, anything, everything, you have the comment section. आपको जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ समझ में आ रही है, पसंद आ रही है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताएं. नहीं आ रही है तो भी मुझे बताएं, मैं इम्प्रूव करूँगा. आई विल ट्राई टू बिकम अ बेटर टीचर, अ बेटर पर्सन. सो देयर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग विद योर comments and criticisms and suggestions. So please keep them coming and please share the videos. Please let maximum people know about this small initiative that we are doing. एक छोटी सी कोशिश जो हम कर रहे हैं, जितनी ज़्यादा लाइव्स इससे टच होंगी, जितने ज़्यादा लोगों की ज़िंदगी से बेहतर होगी, मैं उतना ज़्यादा खुश महसूस करूँगा. So that is what we are doing. Now coming to the photography part, the three things that you need to remember when you're shooting is patience, persistence and practice. तो patience रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है दोस्तों. याद रखिए कि patience आपको रखना पड़ेगा. Something which is as simple as catching a ball. Just think about this. Suppose मैं आपकी तरफ एक बॉल फेंकता हूँ. One ball you can catch. What if I throw 10 balls at once? आप एक या दो पकड़ पाएंगे, और if you have practiced a lot, maybe 3 या 4, but all 10 you cannot catch. So for people with challenges, understand this. Just catching that one ball is a process. हमें उनको टाइम देना पड़ेगा करने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं कि वो नहीं कर सकते. We just need to keep having patience, believe in them. We need to have persistence. They need to keep doing it regularly. अगर हम एक चीज़ करना 5 बार में सीखते हैं, उनको शायद 50 बार लगे, शायद 500 बार भी लग जाए, लेकिन होगा ज़रूर. सो डोंट गिव अप ऑन देम. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज़ प्रैक्टिस. डोंट स्टॉप प्रैक्टिसिंग. रेगुलरली करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन रेगुलरली उतना ही प्रैक्टिस हर रोज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो when you're letting your kid shoot, we are living in a very nice generation, a very nice time where technology is at our benefit. Technology is on our side, and because of that, फ़ायदा ये है कि हमें कोई रील नहीं लग रही. There is no cost that is coming. We can always delete pictures that are not good. So let your kids shoot as many pictures as possible. जितना ज़्यादा ठीक करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करेंगे, राइट. सो द टेक्निक वी आर लर्निंग टुडे इज समथिंग कॉल्ड लीडिंग लाइन्स या फिर लीड इन लाइन्स. दोनों वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं. लीडिंग लाइन्स इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फोटोग्राफी. बहुत सारी जगह पे यूज़ होता है, बहुत सारी मूवीज़ में यूज़ होता है. हमने नोटिस नहीं करा है इसको बहुत बार, लेकिन इट इज़ देयर एंड दैट इज़ हाउ इवन वी सी इट एज ह्यूमंस. सो लीडिंग लाइन्स आर लाइन्स जो कि आपको एक दिशा में, एक डायरेक्शन में ले करके जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट लुक अराउंड इन द रूम दैट यू आर सिटिंग राइट नाउ. टेक 2 minutes, लुक अराउंड द रूम दैट यू आर सिटिंग राइट नाउ. आपकी दीवारों पे लाइन्स है, आपके टेबल पे लाइन्स है, आपके पास कोई फ़ोटोज़ टंगी है, वो फ़ोटोज़ भी लाइन से टंगी होंगी. आपके पास कोई शो पीसेस पड़े हैं, बहुत बार वो भी एक लाइन से पड़े होते हैं. हम लोग रोड पे जाते हैं, राइट. When you're going on the road is a line that is leading you into a direction. अगर आप कभी ड्राइव करते हैं या बाइक चलाते हैं या साइकिल चलाते हैं, whatever means you move on, you will notice that you always focus on where you have to go. आप रोड कभी भी नीचे देखते हुए नहीं चलते हैं. So that is a leading line that has been formed by us humans. और आप उसको देख करके अपनी दिशा का, अपनी डायरेक्शन का डिसीजन लेते हैं, where I want to go. So leading lines is something that we use in photography all the time. Here are some pictures that I'm going to show you that have been shot using leading lines, and after this you should be able to understand what leading lines is. Then once you see these pictures, I will tell you how to shoot leading lines inside your house and slowly and gradually practice it outside. So let us start from the very first picture. This is the Asiatic Society in Mumbai, a picture I shot a while back. एंड इसमें अगर आप नोटिस करोगे तो जितने ये लोग बैठे हुए हैं, दो स्टेयर्स, दे आर लीडिंग यू टू द मेन बिल्डिंग. आपका नीचे रोड की तरफ ध्यान नहीं जाता है. सो द लाइन दैट इज स्टिल फ्लैट, दैट इज द फुटपाथ. We don't really look at the footpath as much as we look at the stairs, and in our subconscious without even us knowing, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है और हमारा ध्यान automatically towards the building चला जाता है. And then if you look closely, the pillars in the building are also lines. So that is how leading lines works in pictures. This is just one of the examples. Let's move to the next example. So the second example for leading lines is this, the very famous Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi, the president's house. This is another shot I took some years back, and if you look at it, it's not just the motorcycles that are in one line, the bikers, but it's also that white line right in the center of the frame that is leading your eyesight towards the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So while you look at the bikers, you also look at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is in focus, and the bikers were kept out of focus on purpose in the shot. So leading lines, your lines are leading you to the, so the white line is actually leading you to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Your eyesight automatically lands on the president's house. That is what leading lines does. Here's another shot. It might not be a very artistic shot for beginners, but if you look at it, there's a kitten out there and there is this railing somewhere in Mumbai. So that railing is leading you towards that kitten. It is leading you towards that couple. So this is again a very fine example of leading lines. The more you can stylize these pictures, the more you can do with these pictures, the more artistic you can make your pictures. So we all have tunnels around us, metro stations or on the roads also we have tunnels now. The trains also go through a lot of tunnels. So tunnels are all around us, and if you look at it, it is again a very fine example of leading lines, because the walls on the side are leading you towards the center of the tunnel. There is this lady walking, there is the railing on top, this ventilator on top on the ceiling, but all the lines are finally leading you to the black part, the black hole that it looks like, which is the end of the tunnel. So this again is a very fine example of leading lines. And if you look closely, all the boxes are again in the format of leading lines. So this is a shot from Punjab, and it's a thermal power plant. So if you look, it is not just the boats, it's not just the ripples on the water in this lake, it is also the way those buildings, the part of the power plant is that those are all lines, and at the end of it your eyesight automatically goes to those big towers that are there, that have these curves and those lines. So it's again a very fine example of leading lines. The lines are leading you straight towards those towers. Here's another, we all go to religious places, most of us believe in some religion or the other, and all the architecture, the finest of architecture that you would look at, all of these places have a lot of lines. So here's another example of lines. So here's another example of lines, and if you look closely, it is also the light coming through those windows that is creating a line leading us to the people that are sitting there, and that dome up there which is like black, there is darkness the other side, and this side is all white. So this is again a very classic example of leading lines used for photography. So sometimes lines are not there in a straight line all the time. Many times it is things that are kept in a certain manner. So here if you look, it's the famous Jama Masjid in Delhi, and these pots in which they keep water for the birds, they were kept in a certain pattern, and then the pillars of the Jama Masjid, the towers of the Jama Masjid, again towering above all the people. Even the people that are standing, all those colors are leading your eyesight towards the Jama Masjid. So that in itself is a very nice example of leading lines. As I said earlier as well, roads and railings are a great example. This is a shot I took while riding. So this was during a trip, and if you look, there is a lot of lines on the path that is leading you to the next biker, and there is lines on the left, the railing that is there, the thick wall that is there, and this wall also denotes that there's a curve at the end of the road. And if you look closely, it is your eyesight that is leading you to the curve. So even if there are lines right from the corner of the picture, you will always see the end of the curve. That is how your lines play with your eyesight. And another shot of Delhi, there are these bikers riding, there is this cycle guy, and there's this skating kid right in the middle of a white line. And if you look closely, there's a lot of lines here as well. The bikers are riding in a certain formation. It's a bit of a staggered line, but there is a line. There are lines on the side, the walls on the side of the Rashtrapati Bhavan are there. On the white line, there is a subject, which is the kid on roller skates. So what is happening throughout this shot is, no matter where you look, your eyesight automatically goes up to the horizon where the road is almost meeting the sky and there are 2-3 guys standing there. This is another very fine example of leading lines. And again, we are back to the Jama Masjid. The people sitting there are all in lines. If you look closely there, all the people are sitting in a line. The architecture of the Jama Masjid again leads your eyesight towards the main dome of the Jama Masjid and towards the sky after that. So this is another example of leading lines. So now that we have seen how leading lines work, how lines are there in our day-to-day life all around us, let's start shooting leading lines. So let's go back to the studio. So दोस्तों, as you saw, leading lines हमारे हर तरफ है. Right now I have this wooden table. There are lines on this. मैंने एक छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट, एक शो पीस अपने ही स्टूडियो में उठा करके रख लिया है, just to show you how to use leading lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it with my phone. Initially हम फ़ोन से शुरू कर रहे हैं all the sessions because सबके पास कैमराज नहीं है, फ़ोन सबके पास है. तो पहले हम फ़ोन से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. We will understand the techniques. Then we will move on to cameras, how to use a DSLR. What are the basics of using a DSLR, things you should remember, things you should practice more on a DSLR, and things which you can control using a DSLR जो normally phones पे और point and shoot cameras पे नहीं हो पाता है. So here we have a table. As you see there are lines on this table. तो मैं अपने फ़ोन को एक जगह पे पोजीशन करूँगा because if I keep it on top, अगर आप लाइन्स को ऐसे फ्लैट देखेंगे तो दीज आर जस्ट फ्लैट लाइन्स. लेकिन आप अगर लाइन्स के एक सिरे पर एक डायरेक्शन में अपने फ़ोन को या कैमरा को रख लेते हैं, then you will see that the lines lead to something. So आप जब भी शूट करें, remember that you have to be not right in front of the line, you have to be on one side of the line. तो अगर आपकी लाइन A to B है तो अब या तो पॉइंट A पे होंगे या पॉइंट B पे होंगे. You will not be in the center looking at both the points because then it will be a flat line, it will not be a leading line. So what I am doing is I am just keeping my phone here. There is this product. We are not using the studio settings right now, just doing a very simple shot. So there is this product. मैंने थोड़ा सा zoom कर लिया. ये प्रोडक्ट है. द लाइन्स हियर, एज यू कैन सी ऑल दीज लाइन्स आर हियर. वी आर जस्ट कीपिंग दीज लाइन्स टू लीड अस टू द प्रोडक्ट एंड वी क्लिक अ पिक्चर. सिमिलरली वी कैन डू अ वाइट शॉट एज वेल. आई कैन कीप द फोन लाइक दिस. राइट नाउ एज यू कैन सी ऑल द लाइन्स आर हियर. नीचे की ये जो लाइन्स है, अगर मैं जूम आउट कर दूँ थोड़ा सा, नीचे की ये सारी जो लाइन्स है, ये आपकी नज़रें डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट की तरफ लेकर के जा रही है. आपका ध्यान प्रोडक्ट की तरफ जाता है, ना कि नीचे के टेबल की तरफ. And that is the right way to position your phone or your camera for shooting leading lines. एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखिएगा कि when you're shooting, आपका, मैं टैप करके दिखा रहा हूँ अपनी स्क्रीन पे, आपका फोकस कहाँ पर है. Your focus needs to be on the product. So आप प्रोडक्ट पे टैप करिएगा, आपका प्रोडक्ट फोकस में आ जाएगा and you shoot a picture. So ऐसे ही करके we will shoot leading lines. Try to do this for products. Simple एक एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ अभी शुरू करते हैं. Then we'll move to multiple products and I will tell you how to shoot multiple products using leading lines. But for now, let's just practice a single product. Let's start doing this. Let's fight one war at a time. तो पहले हम एक एक प्रोडक्ट रख के शुरू करते हैं. Try to find a table or a surface where lines are very visible. आपके बच्चे के लिए those references are very important. Slowly and gradually with the practice, they will understand that आपका जो लाइन्स है वो कहाँ है, क्या है. दे विल स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस, द वेरी फर्स्ट ड्रिल यू कैन डू विद योर किड्स इज मेक देम आइडेंटिफाई लाइन्स अराउंड द हाउस. दीवारों पे लाइन्स हैं, टेबल पे लाइन्स है, दरवाज़ों पे लाइन्स है, कहीं कोई पाइप जा रहा है उस पे लाइन है. देयर आर लाइन्स ऑल अराउंड अस. ये लाइन्स ना हो तो हमारी दुनिया बहुत बोरिंग हो जाएगी. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड दोज लाइन्स, यू नीड टू फाइंड दोज लाइन्स, make the kids identify those lines, and then with those lines we will start shooting products, and slowly we'll move to portraits, we'll slowly move into product photography, different kinds of photography, even landscape for that matter. बहुत सारी photography में leading lines use होता है. तो अभी हम उससे शुरू करते हैं. Just make them practice leading lines using a simple table with one product. The next video we will move to the next level of how to do this. Keep following us, keep telling us if you have queries. Specific queries के मैं specific जवाब दूंगा. If your kid has a certain problem, a certain challenge, we will deal with that. But we are in this together. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the No Disability YouTube channel. आप सबके support से हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचना चाहते हैं. There is no hidden agenda here. It is just to reach out to as many differently abled or superhumans as I call them. The point is to reach out to as many of these superhumans and touch as many lives and help them live a life of respect. So let's do that together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Once again, you can press on the video here and this is the button from where you can subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thank you.